Why does your scanner show the P0221 engine code? What does it mean? P0221 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle pedal position, sensor switch B circuit, range, performance. This code indicates that the voltage or resistance in the circuitry of the throttle position sensor has fallen out of the acceptable range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty throttle position sensor. Wiring problem. Throttle body issues. Faulty relays. Pedal position sensor issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996, commonly found in vehicles with electronic throttle control systems, specifically Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, and Skoda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.